Did you know that the ancestors of domestic chickens were wild birds? You may have never thought about this because farm chickens look so docile, but it's true. They are descended from fierce fighters. But these days, they are no longer those birds. Let's take a look at 10 interesting facts about chickens. Number 10. Ancestors of domestic chickens. Nowadays, we eat them almost every day, and most of us grow up with them as pets. Yes, we're talking about chickens. But did you know that domestic chickens, Gallus domesticus, are actually domesticated animals? And they all trace back to the same wild ancestor, the red jungle fowl found in Southeast Asia. Humans domesticated them more than 7,000 years ago. They were probably chosen for domestication because they are hardy, fast, and have strong claws and beaks, useful traits for fighting. People kept breeding the birds for certain looks and behaviors, and that's how we got the chickens we know today. Number 9. Excellent hearing. Ever wondered if chickens can hear you? Absolutely they can. In fact, they have excellent hearing. Their ears are located under their eyes, right here, and they can easily hear and distinguish many different sounds. Chickens can even recognize individual calls within their flock, and they can tell where the sound is coming from. According to research, they can hear sounds ranging from 150 Hz to 4 kHz. This is much better hearing than dogs, who can only detect sounds between 67 Hz and 45 kHz. 8. Excellent vision. Just like their hearing, chickens' vision is much better than humans. They have almost 300-degree vision, thanks to their 2 eyes being placed on the sides of their heads. Also, they can see colors that humans can't, such as ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light is all around us, but humans' eyes don't capture it. It's thought that chickens can see this light because they have 4 types of color receptors in their eyes, while humans only have 3. This means that chickens can see things in a totally different way than we do. Number 7. Surprisingly good memory. Did you know that chickens can remember more than 100 faces? They can remember the faces of both humans and other animals, and they can even recognize themselves in the mirror. That's a sign of having a good memory. Scientists have conducted several experiments to test their memory. One study showed that chickens can remember the face of their caretaker for at least 5 years. They can also remember the location of food sources, which helps them survive in the wild. Furthermore, chickens have good short-term memory, allowing them to learn new things quickly. 6. Chickens can dream too. Do you ever dream when you sleep? How about your chickens? It turns out that they do dream too. Chickens experience rapid eye movement, or REM sleep, just like humans. During REM sleep, the brain becomes very active, and this is usually accompanied by dreaming. The interesting thing is that chickens will sometimes make chirping sounds and move their legs during this stage of sleep. It seems that they experience their dreams quite vividly. So what might chickens be dreaming about? Maybe they are dreaming of flying through the skies or pecking at tasty food. Who knows? 5. A language of their own. Chickens may not be able to talk, but they certainly have a language of their own. Scientists have discovered that chickens use more than 30 distinct vocalizations to communicate. Each call has a different meaning. For example, they have a call to warn of predators, another to call chicks, and yet another to signal food. What's more, they can learn new calls. For instance, if they hear their name being called, they will eventually associate the sound with their name and will come running. Number 4. Strong maternal instincts. Mother hens are known for their strong maternal instincts. Not only do they incubate their eggs, but they also talk to their chicks while they're still inside the eggs. The chicks can even respond with tiny peeps. When the chicks hatch, the hen will help them get out of the nest and teach them how to find food and water. She will also protect them from predators with her life. There are cases of hens adopting chicks that are not their own. They will gladly take care of orphans and raise them as their own. Number 3. A surprisingly fast. Even though they look clumsy, chickens can actually run surprisingly fast. They can reach speeds of up to 14 kilometers per hour, 9 miles per hour, and they can fly short distances when escaping danger. Their speed and agility allow them to evade predators and also makes them good foragers. They can cover a lot of ground in a short amount of time when searching for food. Have you ever seen a chicken running or flapping its wings? It's an amazing sight to behold. These birds are truly more athletic than they look. 2. Clear social hierarchy. Chickens have a clear social hierarchy. This is especially evident in flocks of chickens. There is a pecking order, a dominance hierarchy that determines which chicken eats first, which one gets the best roosting spot, and which one can access the hen. The dominant chicken is usually the one who rules the roost. She will eat first, and the weaker ones must wait their turn. Pecking orders are common in many species of birds and other animals. They help to reduce conflict within a group by establishing a clear hierarchy. If everyone knows their place in the pecking order, then there is less likely to be fighting over resources. Number 1. High egg production. Chickens are one of the most efficient sources of animal protein. A healthy hen can lay around 250-300 eggs per year. In some breeds, egg production is even higher. With proper care and feeding, chickens can live for many years and continue to lay eggs. They are also a good source of meat. In many countries, chickens are raised for both their eggs and their meat. And here are some fun facts about chickens as a bonus. Chickens are very friendly livestock. Throughout their lives, they always dedicate themselves to humans. They are gentle and kind, and can get along with other animals. They love to play and are curious by nature. But above all, they are grateful for everything humans have given them. The parts of a chicken are widely used by people. People make use of almost every part of the chicken, which is why they are regarded as a highly practical animal. They utilize feathers to make feather dusters and use their eggs for food. After the chickens pass away, people use them entirely, leaving nothing to waste. Well, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating creatures. Thank you for watching. See you next time.